motherfucker out. Look at. Holy shit.
Can't even see him.
So we're allowed to tear it up.
Back here, this guy pissed us off. But not anywhere past that. We went all the way past that and ended up on fucking somewhere on Dundas Road, the road all the way back.
Oh, they did it.
Ah, fucker! It's stuck! Four-wheel drive.
Don't go reverse.
Four-wheel drive? Wait. Yeah. Probably. I'm gonna catch it on camera.
Good.
That thing rolled down that thing, Jimmy.
All the way?
Not all the way, but halfway. Not too bad.
Yeah, but he's gonna get fucked up.
He's stuck.
But... Put it on.